Welcome to Class 1, Carlos. How is your morning going?
It's going great.
Good. That's wonderful.
Oh.
Today we're going to learn about vocabulary. First, I'm going to explain some things that you can do to practice vocabulary to help you remember and learn better.
Okay.
And then I'm going to show you a game that you can do, which is one of my favorite ways to remember and learn vocabulary. And then you're going to play your game. It's going to be a jigsaw puzzle. So you'll cut it up and then you'll have to match up the words. And then we'll do charades to act out what the vocabulary that we're going to learn before you do your game. And charades is when you act it out and then someone guesses. So we'll take turns acting them out. And so I have
charades.
Okay. Yes. So, some ideas. I have a list here of ideas for things that you can do to learn vocabulary well. So, there's strategies for learning vocabulary. When you find a new word while you're reading or you hear a new word when you're listening, then first you need to decide, is it worth learning, or can I figure it out just by what they're saying, or is it an important word? You decide that first. If it is important, then you can do any of the following. If it's not, just ignore it or learn it from the context of what you hear or read. Anyway, so if it is important, you can find the information about the word. What is the word? How do you spell it? What is it in your language? What is it in Spanish? And what part of speech is it? Is it a noun, a verb,
an adjective?
An adjective, good. And where would it go in a sentence? At the beginning, before the noun, before the verb? Where will it go? And then you could make your own sentence just to see if you know how to use it. So you would want a notebook if you did that kind every time. Just to help you go through it. And then there's another thing you can do, which is a word family. You find the other words, you have the word, and then you find the different parts of speech that it be. All of the word, it's the same word, but the different versions, like run, running, ran, the different ways you can use it. And then collocations, which that's where you find all of the phrases that you can use it in. For example, take a vacation. If you wanted to use the word vacation, that's one phrase. Take a vacation. So you'd write that down. And then other words, are you going on vacation? Will you have a vacation this year? Things like that. That's what collocations are. Finding common phrases that use the word.
Okay.
Or you can do a word web that includes collocations, the word family, finding the opposites of the word and the similar words. You can learn the prefix, which is the beginning parts of words, or the suffix, the ending, or the root, the main part of the word. You can have a vocabulary notebook, and you can have flashcards. Or you can play games, which is what I like to do. So, what I want you to do now is learn these vocabulary words with me. You might already know quite a few of them, but for the purposes of learning how to learn vocabulary, I have a list of 12 words. Read, which is what you do with words. Smell. And then leap. It's like jumping. Run.
Leap. Jumping.
Okay. Yeah. It's like whoop. Okay. And then to run.
Run.
To swim.
To swim.
To throw.
Throw.
To pay.
To pay.
It's when you give money to people.
To sleep.
To sleep. Sleeping. To write. To kneel. Kneel is when you get on your knees on the floor.
Okay. Kneeling.
To sweep.
Sweep is
is when you use the broom to take the
okay,
trash off
okay.
the floor and the dirt. And to weep.
Sweep.
To weep. Weep is the fancy word for crying.
Weep.
Uh-huh.
The fancy word for
the fancy word for crying. Like in the scriptures they say Jesus
Weeping.
wept. Or the people wept. That means they were crying.
They were crying
Okay.
in a fancy way.
Is there any words that you didn't understand?
Leap.
Leap?
Yes.
It's like it's not just jumping up and down, it's like
Running.
it's like when you're running and you need to jump over a hole, then you jump, but it's called a leap because you're kind of moving forward. Or animals leap. They don't just jump up and down. Or bunnies, rabbits, they hop. There's different kinds of jumping, and that's one of the more elegant ways, the more fancy way to jump. Okay, so now what you're going to do is you're going to write the English word and the Spanish word. English word, Spanish, English, Spanish, English, Spanish. Of all the different vocabulary words. Well, maybe for time's sake, just so we don't go over again, maybe I'll just have you use the one that I did, and then after we can do that, because it's really fun. What you do, it's so that you can match them up to their English word, and then it helps you remember the words, and it helps you to, so by writing it, you will write out the word, and then you'll read it to be able to match them together. So it's really helpful. I did it in my Spanish class. But if there's time after playing it, no, just do it. Just write them out, and then we can use my pieces, though, instead of cutting it out. Okay? So write out these words. Write out the English, and then on the other side, after you've written down all the English,
write
out the Spanish. On all the sides of the lines.
Okay. Read. Read. And
then there you'll put the Spanish. So first write down all the English words.
Right here?
Now write run.
Run.
And then smell.
Okay. Like this.
Yeah.
Smell.
And then write pay.
Pay.
And then kneel.
Kneel.
And then sweep.
Sweep. Sweep. Crying, right?
That one is...
No, wept. Wept. Sweep. What is sweep?
Sweep is to clean up the floor.
Okay.
Yeah. And then write weep.
Weep.
And then write. W-R.
Right.
T-E. And then write leap.
Leap. Okay.
And then write throw. And swim. Right there. Swim. Right here.
Okay.
Swim. And then, hang on, let me see.
Yeah. Swing.
Sleep. Okay.
Okay.
And then you would normally write out the other word, but I wanted you to practice writing the English words. Okay. So now you need to match up the words, the Spanish to the English, and it'll form the paper just how that was.
Oh.
Find one word and then look for the other one.
Okay. For
example,
to smell.
Good.
This is okay. I was looking for this.
Okay. So
Okay.
pick a word and look for it.
Okay. Then smell, sleep, to write. Okay. To write is to escribir. Escribir. This
Good.
is right here. Correr.
Correct.
Is to run.
Good.
Tirar is throw.
Oh.
Arrodillarse is to kneel.
Good.
Where's kneel? To kneel. To kneel. To pay is to pagar.
To butter.
Pagar. To read. Leer. Smell, oler. Barrer is to sweep.
Sweet.
Sweep.
Good. You did it all. Perfect. Okay. Now, really quickly, we're just going to do a few words just so you get the idea of how to do it, how it can help you. You're not going to show me the word, but you're going to pick it. And for example, I picked smell for the first one. So I want to make you guess.
Okay.
What word do I have? So I go like this. And then you would say smell. Okay?
Okay.
So we're going to take 2 turns each just to give us a little idea
Okay.
of what to do. Okay. So I guess since I did the example, do you want me to go first? Or you?
Yeah, you go first.
Okay.
Ladies first.
Oh, don't look at it.
I didn't see anything.
Pick a new one.
I didn't see anything, promise.
Okay. What am I doing?
Swim.
Good. Yes. To swim.
My turn?
Yeah.
My turn. Okay.
Woo. Run.
Yes.
Ah. Okay.
Throw. To throw.
Throw.
Throw. That's
Yes.
the word I say. Throw.
Yes. Use your tongue. Okay. Now last one. Wait,
Okay.
you put it up. I didn't see it, but
You sure?
yeah, I didn't look. I just.
Okay, this is kind of difficult. So.
You could get up, but I'm guessing you're leaping, right?
Yes.
Okay.
You're grading right.
Okay. Well, good job. And those are just some ideas of how you can learn new vocabulary and practice it.
And it's fun.
And it's fun. Yeah, it's not boring. You're not sitting and memorizing.
Yeah.
Oh, you are, but you're doing it in a way that makes you forget. Anyways, thanks for coming to class. Good job.
Thank you, Miss.
Mrs.
Miss.